Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Lexus. I'm very excited because we are finally going to do our plan with me for the month of January. I cannot believe it's already a new year, you guys. That time really went by fast, but I'm excited and ready for this new year, and just feels like a nice fresh start, if you will. Hope that you all enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel as well. Check out my other videos uploaded on my channel. Follow me on social media. And without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So I feel like the mini size is gonna be perfect for me. And if you haven't already, make sure you watch the video before this, because I had already uploaded on my channel the video showing you guys me setting up the beginning portion of the day designer. So it was super fun and I'm glad that we got to do that. And now we're gonna go ahead and start doing the planning. A January sticker kit from Etsy. The Etsy shop that I purchased this set from is called Peachy Keen. I really love her work and her quality of stickers is amazing. So please check her out. I will also link her Etsy shop in the description box down below if you guys want that information. So we are going to go ahead and get started with setting up our monthly spread. So I already have right here the January tab here. So this is going to go in the front, and then this is the coordinating piece strip with that. A couple of strips of washi, some checklist boxes, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and use these two. And then I think to cover up the month, the part that says this month, I may use the clock as the cover-up piece. It's just gold and detailed and super cute. So it looks like this, and it is a little bit wider, so I may have to like trim it a little bit with my scissors. These sticker kits tend to start with Sunday as the first day of the week, because these are again made for planners like Erin Condren and Happy Planner and so on. And day designer always starts with Monday. So I am going to be trimming that off with my own pair of scissors. Feel free to cover that up if you'd like, or however you want to do it yourself.